Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you might have enjoyed your Diwali and all are remaining safe and healthy. Remain the same way. Now, after a long vacation, you'll have to come back to your studies. So, concentrate on the studies from today onwards. Lectures are going to start. And now, today I am going to take a poem that is Unit 3.1 It Can Be Done. Understood? I'll read the poem and then we'll enter into the explanation. Okay, so listen carefully how the words are pronounced, and then each and every poem has to be learned by heart. And the most important thing is that the summary of the poem is given in your workbook in a simple manner. After the explanation, I will read that, and that too I'll explain so that you will become thorough and perfect. Okay, come on, I'll start with the poem. Unit 3.1 It Can Be Done. The man who misses all the fun is he who says it can't be done. In solemn pride, he stands aloof and greets each venture with reproof. Had he the power, he'd efface the history of the human race. We'd have no radio or motor cars, no streets lit by electric stars, no telegraph, no telephone. We'd linger in the age of stone. The world would sleep if things were run by men who say it can't be done. Anonymous, poet's name. So, what it is? This is the poem It Can Be Done. Positive thought. Any work given to you, you must think that I will do it, I can do it, and I will do it and prove it. No, I can't do it. How is it possible? It can't be done. No, it's not like that. Any work which is given to you, accept it happily and try to do it. That is the first meaning of the poem. So here is that the man who misses all the fun is he who says it can't be done. So in a person's life, if you want to enjoy the fun of life, you must be ready to face each and every work that comes to you. If you have the mentality for doing that, then you can enjoy your life. In solemn pride, he stands aloof and greets each venture with roof. In solemn pride means looking very serious, grand and important. What? Every adventure he must accept and try to do it without any hesitation. Had the power to face the history of the human race, we have no radio or motor cars, no streets lit by electric stars. If at all the man says, no, it can't be done, then they won't be in this world, there won't be radio, there won't be motor cars, there won't be streets lit by electric lamps. Nor there may be telegraph or telephone, or we would have to live in the age of the Stone Age. If people go on saying it can't be done. What happens? There won't be any radio, motor cars. We will have to live in the darkness. There won't be telegraphs. There won't be telephones, and we'll have to live in the Stone Age. If we go on repeating, it can't be done. The world would sleep if things were by men who say it can't be done. If at all men go on say that if it can't be done, then the world would sleep, would remain silent, without any motion and no development, no improvement, living just like in the Stone Age the life would be. So what is the summary of this poem? I will read from the workbook. The poet clearly disapproves of people who says the word it can't be done. The poet does not agree with the people who says any work given it can't be done. He tells us that the man who says that something cannot be done is the man who misses all the fun. Those who say it's not possible for me to done, those persons miss all the fun in life. Looking very serious and important, he remains unfriendly and distant, not getting involved in anything. See, he becomes very serious does not mix with any people, so try to remain lone, and he doesn't like to involve in anything. He greets every fresh project with criticism and negative comments. Any work any others third person do, that he will visualize with negative comments and criticize, find any fault in that. Instead of appreciation, he says he start doing criticism. Or such people will not have any success in their life. If he had the power, he would even wipe out the history of human race. We would not have radios or motor cars. Our streets would not be lit by electric lights. We would not have telegraph machines or telegraph, and we would remain in the Stone Age. If the person goes on stage saying that it can't be done, then they won't know, the street lights won't be lit, then there won't be motor cars, there won't be telegraph, there won't be telephone. Everything, people live in the Stone Age. The world would be inactive, as if in deep sleep, if things were run by men who says the words it can't be done. Every person will lead such a life. It's just like they all will be inactive, drowsy, not at all energetic. If the word we use, it can't be done. If we use it can be done, then everyone will be active, and any impossible thing can turn into possible. It depends upon the attitude of the human being. So remember, children, any work given to you must be accepted happily, and you should do it with great courage, energetic interest. Then you will gain lot of success. When you will say it can't be done, it can't be done, the opposite the result will be. If you will become drowsy, you will become inactive, and you won't have interest to do anything. You should not be like that. You should have the courage. No, I will do it. Any impossible, I have told you, no, any impossible thing can be turned into possible depending upon the attitude of our own mind. Understood? So this is the poem. So see, what are the rhyming words in the first paragraph? Fun, done. Then aloof, reproof. Then is efface, race. Car, stars. Telephone, stone. Run, done. These are the rhyming words of this poem. And hard words and meanings are given. In solemn pride, here it means looking very serious, grand and important. Aloof, separately, without getting involved in. Venture, dangerous or risky task. Reproof, criticism. Efface, remove. Linger, to remain in a place. And question answers also are given. See, this poem is apt for you while sitting for studies, and when the answers are tough and big and all. No, this is very tough. I am not able to learn this answer. No, that attitude should not come to you. It's easy for me. I will learn the lesson. It become very easy for me, and I will do it. Can be done. With that attitude, you approach your studies, everything will become easy, and you can score good marks. Understood? So this is the poem. Try to understand properly, move your fingers and read and learn the poem by heart, and notes are given on the board, and you can copy it in your workbook. Okay, so tomorrow I'll be coming with a new lesson. Till then, take care. Thank you.